Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF viewer on Wix. So first, you may want to head over to Wix and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, hover your mouse on apps, then click on App Market. Next, in the search apps bar, we're just going to search for PDF viewer, then press enter. So from the list of apps, we're just going to select this app, PDF Viewer, and proceed by clicking on Add to Site. This will redirect us to our Wix website editor page. And from here, you can start by uploading your PDF file. Just click on Upload PDF, then click on Add File. Then select your PDF file. In my case, I'm just going to upload media and upload from computer. Then just the PDF file and we're just going to open it. Then click on Add to Page. And from here, you have an option to change preset, if it's inline sized container, full window, and a lot more. And also change layout if you want. You can also add a design. And once everything looks good, you can proceed by publishing this on your site. So just click on the publish button and that's it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!